have in here some boneless, skinless thighs. And I'll show you what the seasonings are in a few minutes. But I just want to position these thighs in a certain way. I used to roll them, but I don't want to do that because I want the juices to get underneath for all of it. Hold on. Some of them are bigger than what they are. And I did rinse these off and I pulled as much fat as I wanted off of them. So they're pretty big thighs. The ingredients are sage. We're going to be using a bay leaf for 2. I have Everglades heat. I got this online. I'll leave it linked on the bottom. I put some pepper on there. I have a little bit of salt, bone broth. It's going to add a nice flavor to it. Smoked paprika, onion soup mix, 1 pack. And we got a head of twins. Onion powder and garlic powder. They must go together. And then we have celery and onions. I'm going to put these onions and celery in there because I want them mixed in the middle. I didn't mean to put these, make the celery finely chopped, but you know, that's what happened when I did it. So we're going to put that in there. I think that's enough. And I'm going to just get this all around because I want this inside of, you know, all on the pan. And I mean, I want this all over in the juice and everything. There we go. I'm gonna put bay leaf in here. I want that down inside there where the juices will be. And I'm gonna put another little tiny piece over here. The chicken bone broth or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna pour that in here. I forgot to tell you, I use 2 of these. I love these things. They add a whole lot of flavor. So I don't put the whole cube in. I actually piece them out all over the place. Move this around a little bit. Let some of that broth get in the middle of here. Can't be afraid to cook, you know, to touch your food. Yeah, use gloves. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. All right, so this is gonna go in the oven. And then we'll be right back.